Welcome to my channel Step Ahead with a new video. Today I'm going to share with you how you can whiten and brighten your skin with aloe vera gel. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you 4 ways to whiten your skin with aloe vera, and for all these 4 remedies I am going to use this fresh aloe vera gel. So I've just extracted the gel from the sleeve. Or moving on to the remedies, I just want to share with you the benefits of fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera, as you know, is a miracle plant. It contains multiple vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. And it also contains vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3 and B6, and also B12. And also it contains 20 different minerals that gives you an amazing fairness, and glue that contains 99% water, so it instantly hydrates, soothes, nourishes, moisturizes and revitalizes the skin. So let's find out how to use this miracle gel to whiten and brighten your skin. First remedy that I'm going to show you is this aloe vera whitening serum. So for this, the ingredients that you need is fresh aloe vera gel, then you need is coconut milk. So if you don't have coconut milk, you can also use the normal raw milk. And finally you need this vitamin E oil. So let's prepare, which I'm going to add is around 2 tablespoons of this fresh aloe vera gel. Then I'm going to add is around 2 teaspoons of this coconut milk. Finally I am going to add is around 2 tsp of vitamin E1. I combined all these ingredients well. Just blended all these ingredients together and you will get this kind of consistency. So to use, what you have to do is just take a small amount of the serum in your palms and massage it into your skin and let it sit for about 1 hour, and then wash up with cool water. This is a very effective, easy and natural way to whiten and brighten your skin. The blend of the 3 powerful ingredients, aloe vera, coconut milk and vitamin E oil, not only improves the skin tone but also moisturizes the skin, reduces wrinkles, fine lines, and gives you an amazing glow. And store this whitening serum in the refrigerator for up to 6 to 7 days. So now I'm going to show you a skin conditioning, moisturizing and whitening aloe vera gel mask. So to prepare this, the ingredients that you need is aloe vera gel, then you need is a slice of lemon, then is coconut oil. So I'm using this organic cold pressed coconut oil. And finally is honey. So let's get started. So I am going to add is around 2 tsp of this aloe vera gel. Then I am going to add this around a teaspoon of honey. And now I'm going to add is around a teaspoon of this coconut oil. Nelly, I'll add this lemon juice. So now mix it well. So do you use just smooth this mask onto your clean face and neck, and after 15 minutes just wipe off with our wet cotton ball. It's a wonderful, soothing, hydrating and conditioning mask for the skin. This mask gives your skin a fantastic glow, and it also lightens your dark marks and scars. And the best thing is that this mask is suitable for all skin types. I'm going to show you a simple aloe vera exfoliating and whitening mask. So far this thing dense that you need is this is the blend of coffee and oats. So I've just grinded this into fine powder. And then you need is La Vida Gen. So let's prepare. I'm going to add is around 2 teaspoons of this aloe vera gel. Then I'm going to add is just half a teaspoon of this coffee notes powder. Now mix it well so it is ready. We'll get this kind of consistency, and to use, just wipe your face with lukewarm water and then apply this mask. And after 10 minutes just remove this mask by gently rubbing in a circular motion. This mask deep cleanses and exfoliates the skin. It wash away excess oil, dead skin cells and impurities from the pores, and promotes a clear, smooth and whiter complexion. Going on to the final remedy, I am going to share with you an instant whitening and anti-aging aloe vera mask. So for this thing dense that you need is 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, then this sandalwood powder and some ripe banana slices, and finally you need is rose water. So I am going to add this around 2 tsp of the sunwood bottle. Then I am going to add is this banana slices. I am going to add is around 3 tsp of rose water to get a smooth paste-like consistency. Blend all these Indians together to get a smooth paste platter. Thick hair of this mask on your face and neck in an upward direction, and after 20 minutes just wash off with cold water. This mask encourages a brighter and fairer complexion because of the 2 powerful ingredients aloe vera and sandalwood powder, and banana softens and moisturizes your skin and gives you a youthful white, blue and rose water. Hydrates and turns your skin. Just now I showed you 4 different ways how I can use fresh aloe vera gel to whiten and brighten your skin, so try any one of these remedies 4 to 2 beats and share your results with me. So thanks everyone for watching this video, and for more such beauty videos hit the subscribe button. So take care, bye, and see you until the next video.